nahofia sana. The last year there were fake fertilizers. Na ndio hiyo fake fertilizer you expecting the production of the day. So when you are analyzing the state of the nation, we need to ask ourselves, the same farmers walipewa fake, what production are we expecting to produce from their shamba with the fake fertilizer? And I remember very well, when we were trying to defend, integrity, I saw His Excellency William Samoei Ruto akifuta ule jamaa minister wa Meru, si ndio? Kwa sababu fake fertilizer. But no more investigation ilifanyika kujulikana who was answerable for that fake fertilizer, ili isikuje kuleta raw production in our agriculture. Point number 3, the state of the nation we need to ask ourselves is education. Education leo kumekuwa na place PS ametoa. Amesema the KCSE was to be released today, but due to errors and irregularity, it will not be released. So what we need to ask ourselves, what is the preparedness of the Minister of Education? Yesterday we were told by the PS that 2.1 billion was allocated to the education. 96% they are prepared for the grade 9 to go back to school. Yes? But how is practical today? So what we need to ask ourselves as Kenyans, the leadership of William Samoei Ruto, if you are unable to bring good governance in agriculture, if you are unable to bring good governance in education, if you are unable to bring good governance in our health, then what are you doing? The Kenyans, they are not healthy. The Kenyans, they are not educated. So my good question I need to ask, if I see Kenyans trying to defend the government, and the same people now today, grade 7 they were told go to school, and yet KPSEA is not out. So which level next class KPSEA ijatoka ikuambie the next class, these are the results for you. Hii maneno ya abduction ikimalizia nayo, who intelligence of the government, how was it prepared? Now we ask ourselves at see government ni private people coming on behalf of the government. So the government need to be clear. Ikuje ituambie maneno ya health, ituambie maneno ya education, na ituambie the status of abduction. And by that we shall be able to go as a Kenyan. Thank you very much.